Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OKX for futures, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with OKX for futures trading, begin by visiting the official OKX website. Click on the sign up button prominently displayed on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address or mobile number. Choose one of the two options based on your preference. Next, create a strong password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the screen. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Retrieve that code and enter it in the designated field. Once your code is verified, you will be redirected to your new account dashboard. To enable futures trading, navigate to the Account section. Look for an option to complete additional verification. OKX may require you to provide personal information for KYC compliance. Fill in the necessary details, including your name, address, and identification. Submit your information for review to OKX's compliance team. Once your submission is approved, you will receive a notification. You can now deposit funds into your OKX account. Choose from various deposit methods available, such as bank transfer or cryptocurrency. After funding your account, go to the Futures section from the dashboard. Here, you can explore different futures contracts available for trading. Select a contract that suits your trading strategy. Review the terms and conditions before placing your first trade. You are now ready to begin trading futures on OKX. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the platform's features and resources. Take your time to understand risk management and trading strategies to maximize your trading experience. Enjoy your journey in futures trading with OKX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.